Are you wondering how to file your cryptocurrency taxes without headaches or mistakes? Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do your crypto taxes using Turbotax for the 2023 tax year. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to report your crypto transactions accurately and take full advantage of Turbotax's features. Let's dive in. First, head over to the official Turbotax website. Sign into your account, or if this is your first time, create a new one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Turbotax home dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Next, select the 2024 taxes option. Even though we're working with your 2023 crypto data, this ensures you're in the right tax year. From there, click on Federal to access your federal tax information. Under Wages and Income, find the section labeled Investments and Savings. Here you'll see an option for reporting crypto transactions. Reporting crypto transactions. This part is crucial. Click Add/Edit to input or adjust your crypto transaction details. Make sure you include all your trades, sales, and transfers to avoid mistakes or penalties. Turbotax will ask if you want to include crypto investments. Select Yes to ensure everything is covered. Integrating financial institutions. Turbotax makes this even easier by integrating directly with crypto exchanges. Select the platform where you traded or held your cryptocurrencies, like Coinbase or Binance. Grant access if needed, and click Let's get your forms to gather all necessary documentation, including your 1099 forms. This ensures your data is accurate and ready for submission. Remember, accuracy is key. Double-check all your entries, make sure each transaction is reported, and ensure your forms match your exchange statements. This is your best defense against audits and penalties, and that's it. By following these steps, you can confidently file your crypto taxes using Turbotax, saving time and avoiding mistakes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy tax filing!